future millionaires. My name is Mr. Crypto. Welcome to today's edition of Crypto News Network. Here at CNN, we'll be bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency news, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So guys, if you like what you see, please smash that like button and subscribe. Turn your notifications for all latest news. So with all that being said, let's get going. Okay. Hope you're feeling well and good out there, people. Today is going to be a quick one. It's just on when to take profits in the market. Getting a lot of questions, a lot of uncertainty of when to take profits. So this is just a little heads up to let you guys know what the strategy is and what you should be looking out for. So starting off here of a weekly view of the Bitcoin. Obviously everything copies Bitcoin. So you just have a look at Bitcoin to see where everything's going. Now this is, let me get rid of this. Now this is back in 2020. This was the beginning of the pattern formation that you see here, this triangle, ascending triangle. Now ascending triangles usually break up to the upside. So eventually when we do get to the end of this triangle here, we will either break up or break down. It's usually around 60 to around 85% of the triangle. So the next time we do raise back up here, we should be either coming back up or coming back down significantly. So this will be the last run, in my opinion. Now, if you accumulated in 2020, a good time to come out would have been here. As you can see, that was the Elon Musk dump, and that was the bottom of the market last year. Now that would have been a good time to buy back in the summer of July as we bottomed out, and then we went for another run up. And as you can see, we hit the same resistance, just a little bit higher than last time. Now, a lot of analysts, and myself included, believe that we've got one more run up to test it again. So we'll either probably just hit this red line here, or we would extend it to come down for an extended bull market. Now, if you was a seasoned trader, what you would have been doing is buying at the bottom here, selling at the top, buying again at the bottom here, selling at the top, and then buying at the bottom here again, where we see the danger. That's where we was in danger. I put a line here to say that was at the bottom, question mark, but it wasn't. It actually went down to there. Now, this could be the next market reversal here, just like we saw back in the summer, as we rise back up to the top again. So as I said, this in my opinion is the last leg up to see if we can break the what was the high, 68,000. Now you're going to have a lot of people that have been waiting since November, or maybe even April, that have been waiting to come out the market. So this in my opinion will be a strong push up and then a strong push down, probably below these levels here. This is the actual lowest level, 29,000. That's a strong level of support there, which it may hold, but who knows. So yeah, just keep an eye on this, people. See if you can draw out, if you've got a chart, see if you can draw out this ascending triangle, because this is the one that all the analysts are following. This is the pattern that Bitcoin is making. It's actually, as you can see, you could say that it's consolidating. As you can see here, you could say that it's going up, down, and then it's going to go up again. So you could say it's going to do that. But as you can see, the evidence is there. Now, another place that you can check for the end of the bull run is the fear and greed index. Now this is a very, very good indication as to when we're going to hit the end. Now as you can see, what it will do, it will tell you whether we're in neutral, extreme fear, or we're in greed. Now when we're in greed, that is a good time to start selling. As you can see, the greed there was 80, 87. We peaked at around 95. Now 95, as you can see on the scale here, with 52 there, 95 is around there. That's extreme greed. So those are good times to cash out. And each time we do hit those 90s and 80s, you can see that we have a violent crash down again every time. So again, back in November, which would correspond with here, we had another crash down, And then when we do reach maximum fear, which is usually around 10, 15, that's when you see a bounce up again. See 19, 10, 18. So when we hit this low level here of fear, that's when the smart money buys in, and then we go all the way at the top. So you want to be the smart money. You don't want to be the dumb money. Dumb money buys at the top here and sells and sells there. You don't want to do that. You want to do the opposite. You want to buy at the bottom and sell at the top. You don't want to buy at the top and sell at the bottom. Because what newbies will do is they'll watch the price go up and then they'll think, oh, I'm going to buy it. FOMO, fear of missing out. And they'll buy right at the top and then it will dump just at the bottom. And as the smart money sells out again and then accumulates again when everyone gets scared. You have to generally do the opposite to what everyone else is doing. Just remember that. So where we are now is we've already bottomed out, which corresponds with here, bottom of the market there. And we are trying to make our way back up again to these levels. So when you see these start to get back up to these levels here, be looking to cash out. Here's another indicator. It's called the CBBI. It takes a collection of data and it puts it all into one. Now this is another very good one of calling the tops of bull runs. It called the top of the 2017 one and it called the top of the 2013 one, as you can see here. And just like the other indicator I showed you, this is their confidence that we was at the top. Yeah, and that's the price there. So when we get into the red, the confidence goes right up to 100. That's the highest you can get, and then it will go back down again. So the last bull run, confidence was then, they called it bang on, and that's when the price hit the top, and then it went back down again. So where we are now, we're nowhere near the red. So we have got a lot of way to go. As you can see, 45. It has to be getting to at least close to 100 for it to be looking to go back down again. So this is another great indicator of when we're going to be near the end. So keep an eye on these indicators, people, because these things will actually save you a lot of money and a lot of stress in the long run. Try and always have a zoomed out view of what's going on. Try not to diver around the day-to-day activities. The weekly and the monthly are probably the best ones to look at the moment to see which way we're going. Okay, so if you found this informative, please leave a like, smash a like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and we will see you on the next one. Bye bye.